How to delete Bricklink account. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can delete your Bricklink account. So let's get right into it. The first step or the first thing to do is to log in into your Bricklink account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, you can see the Bricklink logo by the top left corner, and then you can see other options like market, studio, programs, community, sale, my BL, want, cards, etc. So once you can see all of this, the next thing you have to do is to ensure that all your orders are in completed or cancelled status. And how can you do this? How can you check this? By going to the top right side of the screen, click on your BL and then select your orders page. Once you selected your orders page, on this page you will see all of the orders that you've placed so far. You'll see all of them being displayed, so you just select it and then check the status here, ensure they are either in completed or cancelled. And then the other thing is that if you're a seller, ensure that you settled any outstanding balance already. And then once you've done that, next step is to now move to the lower part of the screen where you can see the option. You can see the option finding items, sell, build, and then you can see the more option. Under it, you can see the help center. Just go ahead and click on the help center. After clicking on the help center, you can check out different topics. Yeah, you can check out the topic which is to delete your account. If you can't find it here, just scroll down and click on help text so you can contact the Bricklink directly. Okay. So after selecting that and you are brought to this page, you can see contacts and Bricklink help desk etc. So you can see similar questions here as well. The next step here is you just go ahead and click on change name, address, email or password. Just click on it that way. Or let's go back and select a similar question to the one you have. Just think about this, select a similar question, or you can just select other inquiries. And after selecting other inquiries, you'll be directed to the contact support page. On this page, enter your first name, last name, email, then go ahead and type out your question, which is, I want to delete my account, how can I go about it? And then response will be sent to your email. So this is how to do it. Basically, this is how you can delete your account on Bricklink. Once a response has been given, ensure you follow the on-screen instructions and you will be fine. Thanks for watching and have a good day.